Ito ang aming kalaro. So we are all playing Olympics na lang pala. So playing with Doy, Sheila, and Louie. Ayan, kaming apat maglalaro Olympics. Okay, we're starting the round. Hole number 12, playing 148 yards. Might hit a 9 iron. Tapos nasa likod namin, dalawang couples, the pairing, Andrew, Mitch, and their cousins, Ivy and Carrie. Okay. Anong pangit? Ayan, tuloy-tuloy mo lang ate. Mahirap tong kaibigan nyo nasa likod. Ang dami mong papakainin. Nila pala, nila, hindi ako.
Huwag nyo kami papatirahin ha.
Tatlong bola lang mamaya pag ano.
Wala na, hindi kami dito.
Hoy, may breakfast po na. Nice shot.
Yun! Good shot. Sangkap? With the green, ano? So kung sa isa-is lang din. Ha? May konting pakaliwa. Oh, for 3 points ako. Tama ba? Ay, hindi, sorry, for 2. For 2. Okay.
Pero pag ganito, wala na.
Wala na.
One lang dapat.
One first pass lang. Hindi pumali. Pero parang pumalan to. Wala, 0 point. 0 pa ako. Ikaw pa lang meron. Si Sheila may chance. Ooh. Sheila for 2 points. Doy is already in for 1. Mahina! Bago pattern! O ngayon lang tayo ulit nagkita. Ikaw lang may 1. Ikaw lang may 1. So, ikaw 1 point, wala pa kaming tatlo. Mitch Cortez. Ay, bumalik. And their cousin Ivy. Shoot. Si Andrew. Kanan. Pasok! Oy, sayang! Andrew's cousin, Carrie. Sa akin papunta. Update sa aming Olympics after 1 hole. Only Doy has a point. Ako, si Louie, and si Sheila, none yet. Is a par 5, 489 yards. Yeah. Currently, I am even par. Si Bini Louie. Baka ito magpaano. Baka ito magpa-trending. Ito po yung mga taga Malayan. Malayan Insurance. Ganda ng draw. Kick right. Kick right.
Nice shot.
Yun, bumalik. Fairway, brother. Layo nun. Buffet ba to? Pwede naman, tayo lang naman eh. Ganda. 4!
Nice shot.
Nag-kick.
Bagko ata yun. Favor, Louie.
Lumayo na drive mo, Doy ah. Patusok pa. Asan yung slice dyan?
Ay, shot!
Diretso.
I'm left with 166 yards to the flag. There's no wind. I'm hitting an 8 iron. Pares kami ni Louie, going for it. Draw. Hindi, maganda. Perfect, brother. Dikit. Bang! Nice one, Louie. Oh, for eagle. Nice shot, brother. Nice shot. Gayahin natin. Ganda.
Okay.
Dapat ngayon tayo nagtuman. Gigil. Safe mo lang. 4! Tawid mo sa bridge. Ayun, bumalik. Safe, safe, safe. Both Louie and I are putting for eagle. Tuturuan ko si Louie. Mga 4 paces to. Mukhang right to left uphill. So, at least sa Olympics, mas marami akong points if ever. So as of now, si Doy ang 4 points. Baka si Sheila ang 3. We'll see. Si Doy ang 4 points. Si Sheila ang 3. Ako 2, ikaw 1, Louie. Tapos, 16 yan. Nabili ko ng... Turuan mo kami. Ayan, tuturuan tayo ni Doy.
Gamit yung plak.
Doy, sorry, gagawin ka naming teacher ha. Pareho kaming pating eagle.
Range ball nga.
Yun kasi yung mallet. Ayan, nakuha ni Sheila. Ala.
Anong binili nila?
Nice spot.
Ulit lang.
Nice spot.
Diniretso mo lang, Doy.
Kanan.
Kaliwa, isang grip.
Isang cup?
Kanan ako isang butas. Mahigit isang butas lang. Pero mas malaki yung sa'yo, ibang pwesto mo eh. Malun eh. Sakto lang po sa unang nabali. Uwi kahit medyo ko yung kalahating dulo sa kanyang kanan. Oo, ano sila. Kasi ipa-firm mo ako po ilalay yun. Sayang, walang naka-eagle sa amin dalawa ni Louie. Mga hindi marunong matuto. Si Doy already gave us the line, but at least it was an easy, stress-free birdie. So for the Olympics, okay. Si Doy pa lang merong 1 point. Everyone has none yet. Okay, hole number 14. 510 yards. Dog leg left. Okay, subok ulit magpa-draw ng golf ball. Let's see. Dumiretso. Go ahead. Pero nag-start ka na sa right. Yan, ganda. 4 4! My name is Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Right. Hey, nice shot. Carried. Yep, nice shot. Is what I'm looking at. Pero kaya naman yata ito i-punch with 8 iron. Wala ka ng pipindutin. I'm left with 122 yards. This will magta-turn to left. So may konting kabig. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Natin. Go! Go! Big bounce. Patong yan. Good shot, brother. Bakit di na maulit? Bite! Bite! Hit the pin.
Mabilis ngayon. Yeah, 1 point ako. Sheila pinakamalayo. So 4 points. 3, 2, 1. Sheila for 4 points. Kulang. Ang lambing mo talaga ngayon. Ba't ganun, Joy? Okay, Mr. Raimundo for 3 points. Go! That's good, that's good. Wala, bumali ka agad. My name is Jam. Okay, ako lang may chance mag-point. Nice spot. Sana.
1 point yan.
Oo, kaliwa. For 1 point.
Okay, 1 point.
Brother, ba't para kasaya mo? Lambing mo ngayon sa caddy mo. Kasi ngayon ka lang nagbabae. Lagi kasi lalaki. Okay, 1 point na si Doy. Louie, none yet. Ako meron na ring 1 point. Sheila is not 0 pa. Okay, hole 15. 442 yards. Okay, sana diretso.
Layo na yan.
Layo. Kick left lang.
Pwede yung mini driver.
Ganda, Doy.
Nice shot.
Good investment talaga yan. Stealth mo na yan. Louie, favor naman, brother.
Nice shot.
Dati na yung minister ako sana eh.
Ball went to the right. Need to take my medicine. So aiming here, hopefully mag-draw ng konti. Mga tirang 30, no? Okay. Butin lang yung talbog pa. Louie will fade the golf ball. Ganda, nag-fade. Perfect. Lupit naman ng Louie. Patong, tama na. Parang around the green lang. Nice shot, Louie. Kinakabahan. Sabi ko, grabe aim. Nandito ka ng aim sa bahay. Lupit. Ganda, nice lupit. Shot. Laking cut. Nice shot. This is to go up and down for birdie. Left with 160 yards kasi backpin. Hitting an 8 iron.
Stay. Uy.
Everyone is an Olympian. Everyone is still outside of the green. It is a chipping contest between us four. Ayan, si Louie muna. Four points! Ay! Ayan, baka 1 point ka na. Jeff, iyan mo na. Okay na yan. Pero mark mo para alam natin kung sa points. Kanan. Good bird, brother. 2 under ka na? 1 under. Ganda. Pasok din, 4 points. Pang Olympics nga eh. Ayan, for 2 points pa yan, Sheila. 2.
Uy.
Malakas. Si Louie 1. Okay na, Louie? Si Louie 1, ako 4. Mas malayo ako. 4, 3, 2 si Sheila, 1 si Louie, pero good na yun kay Louie. So for 4 points. Okay, for 4 points and for par. Isang cup sa kaliwa. Ako. 4 points!
Easy. 5 ka na.
4 points! Lahat dapat may points dito. 3 points! Okay. So ako 5. Si Doy, 4. Ayan, si Sheila if ever 2 points. Go Sheila, lamangan mo si Louie.
Huwag ma-pressure ah.
Pagkapya muna ako ah.
Sige brother. Ah, okay, 2 points. Pero kinabahan. Kinabahan. Good putt. Di ba, mapapractice ka talaga mag-putt. Alright, so putting Olympics update. I'm currently leading 5 points. Then si Doy, 4. Si Sheila, 2. Si Louie, 1. For my goal, the break 80, I'm still currently, 1 under pala ako. I think 1 under. Okay, so playing hole number 16. 105 siguro to. 105 yards. Hitting a 56-degree wedge. Subukan natin cut spin naman para mag backspin.
Tampala.
Nice shot. Go! Parang short. Tama na. Olympian! Olympian! Di pa nag-bunker. Joke lang. Good shot.
Nice shot.
Yun! Go! Go!
Nice one!
Nice shot, Sheila. Louis second shot. Bite, bite, bite.
Nice shot.
Ayun, okay. So far, 4 points ka, Louis. Ganda. 1 point. So, 4 points ka, Louis, kung ma-shoot mo. 3 ako. 2 si Sheila, 1 si Doy. Ganda ng pace. Ay, namatay. Bumagal. Okay, this is for birdie and 3 points.
Hihina lang.
Pa-practice na lang.
So wala tayong mga point.
Ikaw?
Galing sa labas ko.
Ganda. Ay, bumali sa dulo.
Edge lang.
Nice spot. 1 point. Ganda na naman. Sayang. Good shot, Drew!
Nice shot.
Update sa Olympics. Tied na kami ni Doy at 5 points. Tapos si Sheila is 2 points. Si Louie 1 point. Then for my goal of breaking 80, I'm still, I think, 1 under. Hole 17. Hole 17 is playing 170 yards, but it's downhill. Come on, pot money. Pot money is now at 190,000 pesos. Nag-draw? Pinapa-fade mo ba? Hindi, draw pala, tama. Bunker. Bunker. Behind pa yan.
Dapat luminous ang ano eh. No?
Ang T. Ganda, Sheila. Maganda yan.
Ulitin mo na.
Wow! Good shot! It was a bad tee shot, medyo half ball, tumama sa puno. Landed, hit the tree, then I'm now 60 yards short. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Mga 50 yards. Kaliwa. Huwag ka sa bunker, kick right. Anak ka ng...
Nice shot.
Medyo naka... Good out, Louis. Good out, brother. Olympian! Olympian! 1 point na naman siya. 4. Ako 3. Si Louie 2. 1 point. Sheila for 4 points. And birdie. For birdie! Sayang. Saan ka, Louie? Louie, saan ka? Ay, hindi ito akin. 3 points ka pa ata. No? Oo, 1 ka. Oo. 3 points ka, Louie. For 3 points and for par. Ako for bogey and 2 points.
Puta, ba't bumali? Ayaw na siya. Alam mo naman.
Diretso? Hindi bumali. Good par! Ulit na bagay. Small things. That was a very silly double bogey. I am now 1 over. Then for our Olympics, Doy is now leading 6 points. I am 5. Sheila is still 2. Louie is still 1. Okay, so hole 18. 380 yards. Force layup before the water is around 120 yards. So hitting a controlled 50-degree wedge. Good shot. Good shot. Uy, tama na. Tama na, tama na, tama na. Okay lang, safe yan. Tama na. Uy! Ay, nag-swimming. Louie, DOD. Kaliwa lang. Balik. 220 plus yards to the flag. Hitting a 4 iron. Ay, kaliwa. That's right. Huwag lang magbangka. Ganda. Ay, sumobra. Olympian. Lumagpas. Para silang malungkot. Pero ganda ng ano, matalbog lang. Almost made it on the green, pero a little short. 22 yards to the flag. We'll nip it left to right. Dun sa bola nila, di ba? Bola ni Louie ang aim, di ba? Bumuka. Na-conscious. Aya, 4 points ka. Okay, for Olympics, Doy is putting for 4 points. Sheila is putting for 3. Louie is 2. Ako 1. And for par. Pasok! Pakimark! Ay! Lakas! Napitik. Ayun lang, sinasabi ko mabilis.
Ang hina.
Sobrang hina naman. Ano may na-discover ako pag downhill? I-ano mo, slightly off the toe mo yung putt. Para hindi siya talaga sa sobra. Para lang hindi siya sa sweet spot na mas may extra roll.
Para pigil?
Para lang, nice putt. Kaso wala ng point eh. Start of the second 9. So Olympics, Doi is still leading, 6 points. I am 5. Sheila is 2. Louie is 1. Then for break 80, I'm currently 2 over. So playing now hole number 1. 471 yards. Hitting my 4 iron just today up. Ay, kabig!
Nice shot.
Ganda! Nice shot, Louie! Sayang, medyo pulled my tee shot, pero at least I was able to draw it. Although na-draw pero may konting kabig. Mga palong... May 100 pa yan eh, di ba? Papaganin natin sa gitna. Mga 80. Magulong. Okay.
Go.
115 yards to the flag. I hope this tree is not a factor. Pero sige, I'll take this chance to practice draw. Hitting a 50-degree wedge.
Nice shot.
Green.
Okay. Baka dumikit pa nga eh. Ganda. Ay, short. Big bounce. Big bounce. Good shot, brother. Dinidikit ka pa rin sila eh. Si Raimundo. Si Doi Yulo. For double gold. The Olympian. Gamay mo talaga, no? Pasok pa, oh. Si ano talaga? Si Doi Yulo talaga. Good shot. So, 4 points ka, Sheila. 3 si Louie. 2 ako. 1 ulit si Doi. Okay na yan, Doi?
Pwede na. Pwede na.
Sige. Niyayari mo kami sa mga 1 pitch 1 putt eh. Okay, for 4 points si Sheila. Ganda. 4 points.
Ay, ang lakas.
Hindi naman. Lumabas ulit.
Gago ako.
Kulang sa kaliwa.
Ulo.
Kala ko, no? Diretso?
Diretso ko. Okay na nga daw. Good birdie.
Birdie.
Joke lang.
Par. Wala pa rin tayong movement. Hindi, meron pala 7-5 to 1. Update for our Olympics. Doi is now leading by 2 points. So 7-5. Sheila is still 2. Louie is 1 point. Then for my break 80, I am still 2 over. So hole number 2, 447 yards. Dog leg left. I'm thinking if I use driver or 3-wood. Baka driver pa rin para ma-practice. Ganda, Doi! Huwag ka lang sasabit. Ay, sumabit. Okay. Naku! Bukas!
Nice shot.
Naging lalaki ka dun ah! Galit na galit, Sheila! Second shot. Ay, third na pala. 150 yards. Hitting a 9 iron. Kaliwa.
Uy, open! Hindi nag-draw.
Nice shot.
I landed right off the green. 22 yards to the flag. I will try to nip it with my 60-degree wedge. konting right to left.
Ay, malakas!
Sheila is spotting for 4 points. Doy for 3. Ako for 2. Go! Mahina lang! That's good, that's good. Okay, Doy potting for 3 points. Tumalon? Tumalon?
Good, good.
Kulang din. No point. Update for the Olympics. No movement. Doy is at 7 points. I'm 5. Sheila 2. Louis 1. Then I'm now currently 4 over with that double bogey. So playing hole number 3. 177 yards kasi pin is just naka front pin lang siya. Okay, 190,000 pesos spot money. Oo nga. Binati mo eh.
Nice shot.
For the bunker.
Bam! All in one mo! Bam! All in one mo! Gulo! Ay, ganda ng linya.
Parang tirang 20 ginawa mo, brother eh.
Parang malamya.
Okay, mine is 14 yards to the flag. Right to left. Slightly uphill. Mabilis.
Ay, masyado kong pinabite. Dapat pala regular na tira.
Malakas. Olympian, talagang gusto pa niya. 4 points siya. Okay, Sheila for 5 points. Pasok! 5 points! Okay, that's good, Sheila. 1 point. Oh, Mr. Raimundo for bogey and for 4 points. Ako yung pating par and 3 points. Naku, uy. Ayos sa step back ah. Ayan, ako for 3 points. Muna ka, Louie? Sige, brother. Baka umulan, rain dance ginagawa mo eh. 2 points. Ako nga rin, ako rin. Para maka 3 points ako.
Yes!
3 points ka na.
3 points. Points in the pot.
Ganun ka na rin, Sheila, para sumut. Nice spot. Kinabahan, kinabahan. So, for Putting Olympics update, I'm now 8 points. Doy is 7. Louie and Sheila 3. Okay. I'm still currently 4 over. So playing now hole number 4. 324 yards. Dog leg left. Let's see if mapapadraw ko ulit ang 3 wood. Tiger. May kasama ng grip. May libreng shaft at saka grip. Favor naman, brother.
Nice shot. Ganda. Perfect.
Nice shot.
Perfect.
Yan din oh. Gusto rin mag-draw. Pero nag-draw, baby draw. gigil lang eh. May slight over the top lang talaga eh. I am left with 80 yards to the flag. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Right to left.
May slight pull. Tama na. Olympics mo. Fringe. Ayun, kung fringe.
Ay, open. Masyado maagang binato yung... si Louie Yulo. Ay, nakast. Olympian?
Nice shot.
Bakit kasi yung line? Pagbigyan nyo na.
Hindi ba pinag-preferred like ka na ni Redin?
Maghuhulog ng bola, hindi ko maganda.
Si Louie yun. Mga kaibigan kong na masyado na nagiging Olympians. So si Louie currently for 4 points. Wow, ganda! Wow! 1 point ka, Sheila. 4 points si Louie. 3 ako. 2 si Doy, 1 ako. Ang hina. 8.
Okay na to, sir.
Oo, naka-record na.
3 points!
Ready? Nice shot. Ako ba kayo?
7. Pasok din, 2 points. Nice spot. So 11 points ako, 9 ka Doy. Si Sheila, pares kayo 3. For 1 point yan, Sheila. Para malamangan mo si Louie. Kuha! 1 point! Little things. Good putt. wala nang point yan. Ay, hindi, meron pa pala. Wala na, no? Oh, wala na. Pride. Walang pride. Fried chicken. Okay, so pating Olympic update. I'm now 11 points. Si Doy is 9. Sheila is 4. Lou is 3. Currently, I am 3 over. Little things daw, sabi ni Sheila. Hole number 5. Playing 100. 10 siguro to. Hitting a 56-degree wedge.
Hindi, sakto lang.
Si Jimmy.
Nagalit tuloy. Pinatong. Nice shot. Sayang. Sakto pala yung distance. Wala lang yung direksyon. Ganda, Doy. Wow naman. Good shot, brother. Kaliwa. I think left to right. Oh, tama, left to right. Left to right, 14 yards. Slightly downhill. Siguro may isang grip sa kaliwa.
Laki pala ng binigay ko.
Hindi pala ganun kalaki yun. Louie for 5 points. Ayan na, Olympian Sheila. Okay. For 5 points. Pasok! Mawina lang. 1 point pa rin ako. Tama, 4 ka. 4 si Louie, 3 si Doy, 2. 1 ako. Si Louie Lupa. Louie Dipa. Okay, for 4 points. Para maging 7, no? Currently 3. Guanzon, 4 points. Okay, 7 ka na. 11. Ilang ka, Doy? 9? Oh, 11, 9. Tapos kung ma-shoot mo yan, tayo.
Hindi na siya kasali. 4 ka ba?
For 2 points pa naman siya eh. Naunang 4. Yan tuloy. Okay, 11. Sa ano ka pa rin?
Dapat pala.
Yun oh. Little things. Pero kinabahan.
Oy, tabla. Pumasok.
Or
12 points.
okay.
Update for the Olympics. I'm now 12 points. Si Doy is 9 points. Louie is 7. Sheila is 6 points. So I think for break 80, I am now still 3 over. So hole number 6, 343 yards. Dog leg left. I will try to draw the 3-wood. Ay, maaga! 4!
Nice shot.
Naku, nag-curl naman. 4 right!
Nice shot.
Galing ah. Sayang. My draw turned early. So tumama sa puno. So I just need to punch and take my medicine. Around 140 yards na palo. Just hopefully land on the fairway. This is to go up and down for a par, hopefully. I am 57 yards to the flag. I will experiment and nip it mga 50 yards with my 60-degree wedge. Matigas talaga oh. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung nip pero hindi pa rin kumagat. Pero happy na ako dun. At least up and down for par. Bite. Malakas lang.
Bite.
Kumakagat ano? Ano yung 48? Kumakagat yung 48 mo? Sabi ko parang ang konti ng loft nung pinili mong pamalo for the shot. Pero kumagat eh oh.
Ang ano niyan?
Nararamdaman sa grooves talaga. Oh, galing oh. Tulis eh. Tapos nung bumagsak sa ko, tapos na. Oo. So Sheila 4. Sino mas malayo sa'yo ni Jeff? Parang si Doy. Tama ba? Kayo? Shoot nyo na lang muna tapos saka na lang mag-decide kung sino 2 and 3. Basta Sheila 4, either Louie or Doy 2 or 3. Ako 1 point. And for par. Thank you. Mahina. Okay. Doy for 3 points. Louie for 2. Ako 1 point. Malakas. Malakas, brother. 6. Nakita mo yung kay Sheila, ang ina eh. 6. Maliit lang ito eh. 6. Okay. Doy for 2 points.
Hey, that's good, brother.
Naalala ko dito ako nagpat kahapon din eh. Ha?
Buti
Dito rin ako nagpat kahapon eh.
Buti 1 point lang.
Right inside. Okay, that was a good putt. I am now 13 points. Doy is at 9 now, brother? 9. Louie is at 7. Tapos Sheila is at 6. That was a good up and down for par. I am still, if I'm not mistaken, 3 over. So playing hole number 7. Hole number 7 is 327 yards. Dog leg right. I will try to intentionally fade the golf ball. Ay, nag-bleed pa right.
Nice shot.
Eh, nag-draw. Balik iron. Bless you. Kaya natin doon kung mapapakat ko. Papakat ko yan. Kung mapapakat.
Uy, nice. Nag-fade niya.
Nice shot.
Yeah. Nice shot. Sakto.
May konti. Playing 115 yards to the flag. Hitting a 56 degree. Ay, ang taas.
Taas.
Taas ka agad. Ay, tama na.
Uy. Ay, sakit.
Tama na. Ay. 4, Louis! Louis 4!
Sa ulo mo.
I landed short of the green. 22 yards to the flag. Uphill. Mabagal. Chipping with a 56 degree wedge. Nice shot, Louis! Wap, pumasok pa! 1 point. Okay, Doy for 5 points. Good, good. Pataya mo pag ipasok ni Doy.
Uy, pasok mo sa loob.
Eh, pumasok talaga. Okay. Okay, yay. 1 point ka na. 2-3 kami. Okay. 10 points si Doy. Ako kung ma-shoot ko to 15. Si Louie 9. Okay. This is for 3 points. Kala ko good na tayo, Louie.
Oo nga, good na tayo.
Okay, practice.
Ayaw siya. Ayaw siya.
2 points. 2 points, no?
Uy, isa yun na-bot mo yun.
Ay, wala pa. Bogey pa. Ano ba yan?
Ay, go.
Behind pa rin.
Nice shot.
Wag.
Ay, behind din.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Ay, ang hina, Luigi. 21 yards to the flag. Mali yung in-experiment kong nip doon. 21 yards. Try ulit to nip. Left to right.
Right.
Okay, Doy for birdie. Yun. Good out. Toink! Okay. Ako 3 points, si Louie 1. Left to right 7 paces. Nasang bola? 3. 3, 2 si Louie 1 ta. Uy! Ako pala doon? Ako pala cup? Kala ko 3 points. Louis for 2 points. Nakakuha. Ay, bitin. That's good, brother. Nakakuha. 1 point. Yes. Nice. 10. Hole number 9. 511 yards. Sayang, nagkakalat na. Currently 7 over. Bawi, meron pang 3 holes. First time again, I pulled my tee shot. Buti tumama sa puno, medyo bumalik sa fairway. Hitting a 3-wood to cross the water.
Balik. Safe.
Oh no.
Yun, tawid.
Ganda.
Buti na lang, ginawang rampa. Ganda oh. Nice shot. Kaso laki ng pekas ng bola mo. Playing 200 yards. Tumama sa puno. Hitting a 5 iron.
Batok to. Look up. Nagmadali.
Nice shot.
That was a very terrible approach. 77 yards. Tirang 70. Hitting 60 degrees.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, Olympian for 5 point. 4 na lang pala, wala na si Sheila. Olympian! Okay. 3 points si Louie, 2 ako, 1 ka. Mahina, Louie.
Masyado naman.
1 point. Oh, last 2 holes. I am now currently 9 over. Grabe. Sunod-sunod yung double bogey. Far. Hole number 10 and 11. 4! Alright! Too much. Okay, 20 yards to the flag, right to left. Mga tirang 10 or 15. Louie for 5 points and for par. Lakas. 2 points pa ako. Ay, 2 points ka, Louie. 1 ako. So, for Olympics, Doy is putting for 3 points. Si Louie is for 2. Ako 1. And for par. Goal is to par hole 10 and 11 para break 80 pa rin. Ganda. 3 points. 3 points. 15 ka na. Parang left inside ate. Pwedeng left inside na.
Inside na.
Diretso mo?
Hindi, ni-left edge ko pa eh. Dapat loob na pala.
Draw.
Ganda. Naku, abot sa trap.
Tawid. Talon. Shoot.
Naku, kumana.
Ganda, brother.
Are you made of, Luigi? 120 yards to the flag. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. I need to birdie this to break 80. Subok.
Uy.
Ay, layo.
Ganda yan, Doy! Maganda yan! Ganda! Nice shot, brother! Oo. Ay, sayang nipis. Go! Ang kapal pala, hindi pala manipis. Okay, I have this 3 points for birdie. I need to make this to break 80. Anong bigay mo, ate? Left to right, ano? Hindi ganun kalaki. 8. 3 and bird.
Birthday.
Sayang. Kala ko mag-break. Sino ba?
Sige kami po.
Mas malayo ba kayo?
Opo, konti.
Mas malayo ako, mas malayo kayo.
Malayo po kami isang ano.
Langgam sa itlog, Sir Louie. Ang laki. Maga.
Maliit lang itlog ko eh. Takto siguro.
Kasi nakikipagkwentuhan habang nagpapat. Ayaw ng 2 points eh. Okay, this is for, ano ba, 1 point? To go 16 points. Uy, 30.
Ang laki nung backpack.
Nalaylay lang sa
Oh, nalaylay.
Brother, good round.
Nakakatakot.
Good round, good round. Round! Sayang. I ended 10 over with 4 double bogeys. Sayang. Kung na-birdie ko sana tong last hole, 79. Pero okay na rin. Almost. Nice shot.